Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this lesson, we will learn how to obtain the numeric values associated with the tokens we want to apply the logic bias towards. We will see how to use the OpenAI Tokenizer tool and why this tool is useful in setting the logic bias configuration property. The Tokenizer tool is an essential resource that helps you convert words and tokens into their corresponding token IDs for your logic bias configuration. To get started, let's first look at the Tokenizer tool. This online tool can be found at the following URL: https://platform.openai.com/tokenizer. Next, let's take a look at how to use this tool. You will need to 1. Access the Tokenizer tool. Here, simply open your web browser and navigate to the tool's URL. 2. Select the appropriate model. Once you've navigated to the Tokenizer tool's webpage, you'll select the appropriate model, which corresponds to the model configuration property you'll be using. In our case, we've been using the GPT 3.5 Turbo model in our code, so we'll need to select the same model family provided by the Tokenizer tool. Your choice will ensure that the token IDs generated by the Tokenizer align correctly with the model in your code. 3. Input your text. In the text input box, type the words and/or phrases you want to convert into numeric token values. In our case, the words chosen were mean, demon, monster, ancient, and scary. 4. Next, we'll generate the token IDs. After entering your text, the Tokenizer tool will automatically generate the token IDs for each word or phrase. For example, the token IDs generated for our words used in our previous lesson were the word mean. This has a token ID of 14622, which we set to -50, meaning we don't want our dragon described as mean. Next, we chose the word demon. This has a token value 7097. We set this to -75, meaning we don't want our dragon described as a demon. We also chose monster. This token value is 18118, and we set this to 50, meaning it's okay to use the word monster as an alternative to describe our dragon. Next, we chose the word ancient. This token value is 14154, which we set to 50, meaning it's okay to use the word ancient to describe our dragon's age or time frame. And finally, we have the word scary. With a token value 29565, we set this to 75, meaning it's okay to use the word scary to describe our dragon's appearance. Once you have obtained the token IDs for each of your words or phrases you want to apply to your logic bias, you can use the IDs to set your logic bias configuration property. By using the Tokenizer tool with the correct model selection, you can accurately specify the token IDs to use in your logic biases property, ensuring that your configuration influences the model's behavior as intended. This completes our section on the advanced properties for our chat completion API call. In our next lesson, we will review what we have learned so far and review the most relevant and important points we've gone over in this section. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.